know that cats hide their pain and illnesses by nature? Before domestication, cats lived alone and hid their weaknesses to defend themselves. Crying in pain would not bring help, but bigger predators. Therefore, cats will never meow in pain, and you might not know there is a problem that requires your attention. This is why we created CheckUp, so you can be proactive in your cat's health by providing a quick, simple, and reliable method to monitor the most common issues among domestic cats, including high glucose levels, kidney failure, urinary tract infection, and blood in the urine. Each CheckUp kit includes 2 pounds of unique hydrophobic litter, diagnostic testing strips, and a pipette and vial for collection and storage. To use, simply pour the hydrophobic litter, collect the urine sample, dip the testing strip, and read the results. Don't wait! Wellness exams are one of the best ways to monitor your cat's health and to detect problems before it becomes too late. Checking is caring, so CheckUp.